Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Francisca Teresa Endra. My student number is 230612498. Today, I would like to present and talk about the learning from the Ferrari pit stop improving hospital patient handover. First of all, uh, I will introducing about the Ferrari pit stop crew and the hospital. We know Ferrari pit stop crew and the hospital, it seems completely different, right? The Ferrari focus on the racing and the speed. They focus how to get the win and the champions on the race, and the hospital focus on the healthy care and the patient safety of the hospital. But uh, they sometimes I think they have the similarly about both the environment requirement, but the teamwork and the communication. So today I will explain the similarities and the differences between the fair pit stop crew and the hospital, and why a hospital need to learn from the fair pit stop crew, and how a hospital can improve about the patient handover process. So I will talk about the similarity between the ferry pit stop and the hospital. Uh, as I say before, Ferrari and the hospital seem a fair difference. Ferrari is influent in racing cars, and the hospital work with the patient care. But they both invest together, but the teamwork, work under pressure, and the requiring effectivity communication. And uh, the similarity of the teamwork at the very pit stop crew, they work together to change the tires and inspection to the car, and the hospital requires the teamwork among doctors, the nurses, and the healthcare workers. And the second about the uh, high risks under time pressure, about the time pressure. And pit stop crew every second matters during a Formula One race. And the hospital also work the under time pressure because delay may affect patient the condition. So they have its communication in the pit stop and the hospital. Most important about the communication, because clear communication help to avoid the mistakes. For the example, if the Ferrari pit stop crew or staff has a understanding about the introduction, the pit stop may have failed. It's similarly the hospital handover. If the nurses, if the staff or doctors misunderstand each other about the medical instruction, maybe the patient may recover uh, incorrection incorrectly to the treatment. So communication is very important. Now we talk about the difference between the pit stop and the hospital. And the uh, Ferrari pit stop crew focus on the uh, car with the machine with uh, about the car performance and performance during the race, but the hospital focus on the patient care and safety. Uh, focus they work with the human beings and the patients, and the Ferrari focus to win the race and the increases speed, and the hospital focus on the safe, patient safety and the recovery. So mistakes in Ferrari usually cost time and the money, but the mistakes in the hospital may affect in the human life. So they have difference. So the next topic about the why hospital learn from the Ferrari. Uh, we know Ferrari teams have the organization system, and every each member, every crew have their job and have a clearly responsibilities. So communication is a very important and structure. So hospital this this for created that the communication problem often that happens during patient transfer from the process. So Ferrari system can help reduce error and improve the teamwork in the hospital. So how patients are taken care of. So I have the six subject about the how the patient are taken care of the hospital. First is easy check-in and check-out, clear treatment plans, good communication with the patient, diagnosis and treatment, and emotional support. So I have the videos how to uh, the human connection to patient care in the hospital. So we talk about the managing hospital. We know doctor, nurses, and all of them uh, to work in the hospital need to work together, and managing their schedule and training help to everyone do the job well, and checklist the system, make sure the preference for getting information about the patient, and coordination. They must to have coordination, the teams, and support the each other. So learning from the very pit stop crew, uh, they have a clear role distribution, fast but controllable of the movement and effectivity communication. Use the checklist and the make sure have the it's a safety. The system is a very effectivity because uh, the every member, every crew, every person focus on their responsibility only. So I think hospital can uh, make the learn how to learn to very crew. For the example, when they during transfer patient of the stroke to ICU, they have the doctor, nurse, and the staff nurse to make sure transfers patient during to ICU is very conducive. Doctor explained security result, other nurse monitor oxygen and prepare the monitoring and uh, ICU bed to make sure the patient uh, safety when they move to transfer patient to ICU. So the conclusion about uh, successful handover from the security department, uh, intensive care unit requires strong teamwork, clear communication, and strict the attention to the patient safety to make sure the patient have the safety and uh, probably make sure they have to get uh, through treatment, and every staff member must to understand their job and work that quickly but uh, accurately following prepare to SOP procedure and providing possibly risk the patient and uh, save the treatment without delay. And the very pit stop and hospital, it's maybe the difference, but they share similarly about the teamwork, communication, and the time pressure. So I think a hospital can learn from the Ferrari because a Ferrari has the effectivity system that the reduce to make sure a hospital can learn how to change the effectivity system to reduce mistakes from the patient. Thank you for your attention and see you